Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I am a member of a small online community called Content Creators. We are a support group on a Discord server, and we talk about being content creators, whether it's YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, blogs, vlogs, you name it. Anyway, we are having a Secret Santa event, and my package just came in the mail today, and ta-da! Here it is. So, let us take a look at what I got. Okay. All right. Magic of editing. Bing. Okay, let's see what my Secret Santa got me. Oops. I got some Bosch 2-inch 18 gauge nails for my brad nailer. I got some Bosch 1-inch 18 gauge nails for my brad nailer. And let's see what else. Ooh, this is exciting. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. What is this? It's a special thank you note. Packing list. Send a thank you note. Oh, okay. And then this, I have a pretty good idea what this is. This should be, oh yeah, this is a dust mask. Yes, with some filters. Oh, there's 2 dust masks. Nice. All right, let's try this on. Luke, I am your father. Oh, no, wrong movie. All right. Hey, this is cool. Nice. So this will come in handy for what will this come in handy for? Oh, sanding and grinding and all those sorts of things. This is awesome. And I have to thank Farmer Brad. Thank you, Farmer Brad. I appreciate it very much. This is totally awesome. Merry Christmas. All right, once again, this was a quick video from the Secret Santa gift exchange that the content creators, a little group I'm a part of, that we were participating in, and Farmer Brad got me some brad nails. I don't know if he meant that to be funny because it's Farmer Brad and he got me brad nails, but I like it. And 2 dust masks. 2. That's great. And looks like a couple of extra filters and some doodads. I call these doodads. I will put a link to these items in the description of this video, along with the other content creators, their YouTube pages, promoting this gift exchange. And I suspect there'll be a playlist as well, and I'll put a link to that playlist in the description. All that exciting stuff. This is fun. I like gift exchange. To be honest, this is my first Secret Santa. I've never done it before. Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a Happy New Year. and may 2019 bring plenty of wonderful videos to your life. All right, take care. Peace out, everyone.